Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp, guys. We are going in Walgreens to do our Sunday Walgreens deals of the week. This started on 5/2 to 5/8. We have, guys, I have $25 in registered rewards. I did not realize I had collected that much on Sunday, and then I went back and did that midweek deal, so that's how I got up to $25. I have Walgreens cash, plus I'm using coupon. Now some of my coupons did not load this morning, so I did pull my paper coupon. So let's go and see what we could do. Okay, guys, the first thing I'm going to start with is the Jergens deal. I want to try this anyway, so it's the Jergens Zen, and it's eucalyptus mint. It's at $7.99. When you buy two, you get a $2 Walgreens cash. We got a $1.50 off coupon digital that I scanned that I could use, so this one is $7.99. I'm going to grab one more, and I'm going to grab the Jergens Ultra Healing Body Balm. And I got a coupon for this, so let me scan this. Let me show you guys what I have actually. Okay, that's one coupon. That's $1.50. Then you got one more that I'm scan, and then I'll check that one for $1.50 also. Okay, and there it is right there. And now I'm going to check that one off so that I know I have that coupon with me also. I don't have to use a paper. There it is right there. So we're going to get that, and we're going to use $2, and it's a $2 Walgreens card when you buy. So this is a buy deal, so I can use Walgreens cash, and I could use register rewards, which that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this deal separate right here. This is going to be a separate deal because some people was confused when I said buy and spend. Buy means use Walgreens cash, spend means you cannot. Okay, let's go to our next deal. Okay, the next deal we're going to do is the Dow. Remember I showed you that yesterday in the Walgreens Deals of the Week video? You're going to grab two of these. They have to say clear and gentle, because if they don't, you will not get your Ibotta cash. Now, they're actually 2 for $7 and not 2 for $8. So we're going to grab two of these. They're 2 for $7. We have a $3 off paper and digital coupon that match, making these 2 for $4. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add this to clear this deal with the Jergens, okay? And I'm going to do that all together. I have plenty of register rewards, so I'm going to use my register rewards to pay it down. Let me scan and show you guys what the coupon look like. Okay, there you go. It says 2 for $7 right there, and that is the coupon right there, $3 off of 2. Now we all know from watching my Walgreens Deals of the Week video, must do deal, you're gonna get $1 off back for both of those. Okay, still a good deal to me. So let's go on to our next deals. Okay, the next deal we're gonna do is the big, guys. Now I just heard that the bill, it was not, so we're gonna grab two big smooths at $6.79, taking you up to $12.88. We have $4 off coupons off each big, so they'll take $8 off. That'll take you down to $8.88. You cannot use now. It should give us a $5 register reward back. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this into our spend 20 get $5 off deal. Let me show you that coupon. Okay, guys, we're gonna go for the men's big today because the other one rang up a crazy price. Okay, so I grabbed two from here. They are $6.79. There's one left right here. So we're going to get the Big Flex 5. I scanned it. And let me show you what I got when I scanned it. That's the one that I scanned. It came up to $6.79. And it gave me a $4 off digital. Plus, I have a $4 paper. Let me show you that coupon. And this is the $4 paper that came out of this week's inserts right here. So I'm going to use one of those, and then I'm going to use the digital on here, okay? So the deal is if you buy two, you will get a $5 register reward, okay? So we grab two of those right here. Let's put that there. Now, I'm still deciding if I want to go get some more Jergens or do I want to get Corel. I'm going to check right now and see if that is in fact what I want to buy, Jergens or Corel. I'm going to get the Jergens because I want the eucalyptus mint, but I'm also going to look at the Corel. I wish I would have had that one. I don't, but that's okay. I got the $1.50 off. I'm good. Okay. So I'm gonna grab two Corels Ultra Healing. They're $7.79. Of course, you know you're getting $2 in Walgreens cash back, but I'm gonna use two of these $2 off coupons for both of these right here. Now, They are buy one get one 50% off, guys. So let me grab two of those. Y'all know I got the dropsies, two Corels. It's lotion time for me too, guys. That's why I'm stacking up. So I'm gonna grab two of those, and then I'm going to use two of these Corels. So let me rip that out, okay? But first, let me show you the deal on that in the Walgreens app. Okay, and it is a BOGO, buy one get one 50% off, and there is Corel and there is Jergens. So I'm gonna do both of those, okay? So, and we have a $2 Walgreens cash reward, plus I have $2 coupons for the Corel and two $1 coupons for the Jergens, okay? So those are the two deals we're gonna do on that. Let's go get some laundry right here. My favorite, let's get the Snuggle. Whenever I can catch this on sale, I do grab it, guys. It's just one of my faves. That's all right here. So let me scan this and see if the dollar coupon is coming off and if it's coming up to $2.99, 88 cents first. Okay. Always scan to make sure that your coupons or the price is coming up. I don't like the scanner thing, but we have to do it, okay? Okay, and I scanned and it came up to $2.88. And then there is the dollar off coupon that's gonna make that $1.88. So let me tap that. Yeah, so I could pick that coupon up. Okay, so we'll be adding that to our deals of this week right here. Don't mind my coupon bag, it's sloppy. Notice, guys, it ends up like this after I finish couponing for the week or something. It ends up a mess. And here is my deal that tells me if I spend $20, I will get a $5 Walgreens cash. Now I'm going to see how much I can add to that without using register rewards. So this is spend, but those other reward deals are buy deals. So if you do want to use register reward, do not mix your spends and your buys together. Mix all spends or just don't use it, okay? Okay, and so the Jergens deals and the Corel deal together comes up to $23.60, which is enough for me. Now I'm going to disconnect the coupons. I have a $3, $1.50 off each Jergens, and then I have a $2, which is $2 off each Corel. So I'm going to subtract 7 from there. And that takes you to $16. Now I have some register rewards that I'm going to use to bring this $10 down to $6.66. Okay, so I'm going to use the the $2 Corel, one digital, one paper, and then I'm going to use a $6 P&G register reward, and then I'm going to use a $5 and a $6. Y'all see I picked up the wrong one, but these are the coupons I'm going to use right here. Then I have a digital for this and two digitals for these two Jergens deals, 5 off 20. So I should get back $9 in Walgreens cash, and I should pay $5.88 out of pocket, okay, before taxes. So that's the first deal, and that's the 5 off 20 deal that we're going to do. Great lotion deal. Okay, guys, let's go do the Colgate deal. Now, this is where I really need that coupon at, if it's going to be on here. It didn't come this morning. I'm going to scan it and see if it pop up then. Let's hope for the best. Okay, guys, so this deal would not be done because, look, that coupon still did not load up. So I'm fine. I'm not going to do that. Maybe it'll load during the week and I'll come back and do it, okay? Let's get on to another deal. Okay, so this is the deal we're going to do on the Crest. It got to say the $4 right here. It is a registered reward of $5 off. If you buy 3 of those, you get a $5 off 3 coupon, which that coupon did come up for me. So I'm going to grab that deal, guys, okay? Okay, so it's $4 right there, and those are 2 coupons, one for $2, one for $5. If I hit learn more, let's see, and there it is, $5 off of 3. Okay, I want to scan this and see if I'm going to get, if the mouthwash will come up like that, and if so, I'm going to grab the mouthwash. Yes, that one did show up for $4, so I'm going to grab two mouthwashes and 1 toothbrush, okay? I'm tired of the toothpaste too, guys, trust me. Okay, I'm going to use these 2 Revlons also on the Crest and the Dow and the Snuggle deal and the digital coupons, okay? So that's going to be that deal. I have one $5 P&G bag, and I'm going to add it to this and add something else to it. I'm going to get a tissue. Okay, and I scanned the Sky, and there it is for the $1.25 off. So this is going to be $3.75. I'm going to add that to my big deal because I do need to come over in this, but I might as well get something that I really want, okay? So let's go, guys, and let's hope these deals work out like they should, okay? Okay, guys, so we are looking at my Walgreens haul. Guys, I had to put back the Colgate because it did not print out. It did not print out. And we tried on 2 different machines. It didn't print, so I didn't worry about it. Okay, the big did print. Here it is right here. $5 off. We had to go to another catalytic machine, which was fine. The rest of the coupons, like this is a coupon, guys. This coupon would not scan at all for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call Walgreens and let them know about the terrible experiences I keep having in here. But I also want to show you where I did get my that printed out for. Okay, remember the Walgreens deal where I got the 5 off 20? The Walgreens card, spend 20, get $5 back. I got the 5, and then I bought the Corel and the Jergens. There it is, $9.24 back in Walgreens cash. So we did make $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 back today. That is still great. And then I'm going to submit to Ibotta and get back $1 for the Dow, but I will be doing the crest probably later on in a week when it's picking up, because I think that's what's wrong. It's not picking up. Thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.